It's in the spring tournament, baby. It's the nationals. We're doing everything. Hey y'all, I'm Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about and watching Haikyuu. So it's the first movie. I think they're like 2 or 3 movies they're gonna do, and this is about the battle with Nekoma and Karasuno. And we're at the Spring Nationals, and it's gonna be. I think this is like a quarterfinal or round of 16 match. I don't remember exactly. With Nekoma and Karasuno, so. And that's where it's the battle of the garbage dump and everything. And the famous battle they've had it for a few years, and they've only been having it recently in like practice matches and stuff like that. So I've watched the series and I haven't made any videos on it because it just hadn't worked out when I watched it and everything. Just didn't make sense. But the movie is out. The first movie is out, and so I figure, why not? New Adventure channel, first animated thing I'm gonna be reacting to, and why not Haikyuu? I was gonna do Attack on Titan, but it didn't work out. But so Haikyuu is the first go at this. I've been up to battles with copyright on the live action stuff, so this is not going to be anything to me. Right, so don't think I need to say anything much, except I've watched all the movies. I watched a few reaction channels to it, Normies, Studio Geek, Blind Wave, and it was like this Bollywood, can't remember her name, but there was like this college volleyball player. She used to watch it, and then she just stopped making videos and everything, but whatever. But yeah, so let's go. Let's get into it. I love the symbolism. Love it. Alright, so this is the scene back when, was it like season 2? Or is it season 1? I don't remember, but early season when they're doing the training camp over the break when they first met.
バレエ好き？別になんとなくやってる。
Right, and now the goal is for Kenma to really feel it. Hinata wants Kenma to like really get into it. That's his goal. I think it's gonna happen.
Kenma! Okiro!
Back to present day.
もうみんな飯行ったぞ。お前も早くしろよ。
And the tournament.
アキラおはよう。いよいよだな。楽しみだな。ちびちゃんからか。これから戦う相手に気軽にメールしてくるの面白いよね。ちびちゃんは全力でお前に勝ちに来るだろうな。
You will for sure. Oh, that's so cool. I love this. Yeah. The cat versus the girl garbage dump. That's one of the things I love about this anime. They love to do that this sort of stuff.
満を持して勝ちに来ました。受けてたと。どうもおかげさまで。さすが東京勢は応援も多いな。
Yeah, that makes sense. They should have the advantage. It's their own place, you know? Their own city. Gotta defend it.
では両チームのスターティングメンバーの紹介です。1番キャプテンカラスノの支柱ウィングスパイカー沢村大地。10番こちらも要注目大会最小ミドルブロッカー日向翔陽。
Well, he's the shortest in the tournament? Oh,
のブロックの要。
I forgot that.
実質の指導は鵜飼慶信コーチが務めます。
俺の前
Oh, coach, you guys watching it. Yay.
このパンフレットに俺の名前は載ってねえが、俺の血はそこにある。
だから満喫してくれ、ジジイ。
Oh, I'm sure you will. Ah, right to it. Oh.
俺のスパイクにたまげろ。
Is it the quick? Ah, I was so ready for it. I was so ready for it.
寮たちと練習じゃない試合やってみたいかもって。
Yeah, point one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
もう一回がない試合だ。ケンマ。祭りだ。
Oh, flashback?
最後に練習試合やったの10月だっけ。そっからまた進化してるってことかよ。蛇を食らった猫。ヘビー猫リグ。
そう、進化してるのはこっちもだよね。
シンクロ攻撃。
Oh, they have their own version.
ワンチ。シンクロ攻撃。
Sync attack versus sync attack.
手は前っつったでしょ、信勝くん。アドバイスなんて相変わらず余裕ですね。
Yeah.
だけ。
Wrong person to try that on, man.
負けんな
Wrong
っつっ
person.
て。
Oh, 7-7. Oh, okay. We move forward. All right.
雑食も雑食。よりでっかい相手を食らって育ってきた。
スガちゃんが今日もホッと。
あの人見かけによらず。
無理ですよ。
Calm down, bro. Calm down.
あいつは僕の先を行く男なんで。
All right. Flow the serve.
ただし大きくなって。
ネコマにもう一本はねえぞ。手は前っつったでしょ、信勝くん。
Ah, come on, CK. Yes. Love that advice. Thank you, man. Thank you for that advice.
想定以上の高さ。想定外。
Oh, yeah, that's all I'm saying.
ツッキー、最近のバレエはどうだい？
ごくたまに面白いです。
love that.
スッキーからそんな言葉が聞けるとはね。
Exactly.
まあ見習ったらどうだ。
Suki's come a long way. Yeah. That's cool, that's cool. No mind, no mind. Don't mind.
チャンス。
Ooh! Whoa. Yes. Point, 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 point.
ネット際じゃなくてもアタックライン近辺に上げてもらえれば十分です。
It was. It was like, yo, I got this.
おらい。
Oh! Oh! Almost.
決まったって思ったらまだでしたって。
Exactly.
猫間相手だとよくあるから気をつけよう。
Them boys are ready. They are intense.
カラスの相手に序盤からここまでずっとついていってる急な試合運びだと思うよ。
Yeah, it makes a good point. That's Nekoma's thing. They're just out there defensive. Just stick to it. They're just in it. Bro, at least he got it up to you. Talk about Hera next time.
まあ一応生きてるからね。
Boy, it's close. It's close.
ナイスレシーブ。
取れてと。
Ooh.
2で押し込むと見せかけブロックの反則を狙った。これ得意かも。
Yeah, you think? Lead's gone. Damn. Oh, wait.
Damn!
コマが制しました。
いやー、ミスはミスなんですけれども、
What?
でもあって人が工作する場所であり、なおかつリベロの逆をついた利用されたというべきですかね。
カラスノのみんな全員商用化してきてる。
That is not good.
うちはまだそうじゃない。サーブで取れる人は点取ってね。
おしんこつけたい人はつけてねみたいに言う。
そこを封じてきた。
You thought wrong. Can I keep my boy down? Can I keep him down?
今必ずしも商用を使う必要はなかった。
Yeah.
面白いままでいてね。
今までの自分になかった思考を思い知るのは痛気持ちいいです。
Ah, Yachi-san.
リードしてたよね。うんこして帰ってきたら第一セット取られてんじゃん。
なんでみんな自分ので見ないんだ。
カラスの大変だね。攻撃決まらなくてイライラしそうだけどイライラしてる。
Oh, it'd be so annoying to watch it. Oh my, wow.
Gag him!
Alright, what's the score? What's the score? What's the score?
何セット目ですっけ。5セット目みてえなんです。5セット目なんじゃない。
まだ2セット目の最初です。もっとし。
タ、俺にビビったんだろ。
何をちげえしリエフ
違わね
アイスカマー関係ねえ。
Oh! Oh boy. Come on guys, come on guys. Stay focused, stay focused, stay focused.
次カラスノが攻撃するとき、商用が万全の体勢で助走に入ったらロック3枚とも商用にコミットして。
でも次の同じローテ、そしてさっき俺にあの位置で取らすことで、
だからタイミングさえ来れば商用に上がると思った。
Oh, smart, smart, smart.
ケンマさん怖いです。
怖いな。
It makes a lot of sense. Okay, I get it. 3D thinking.
点だけじゃなく線。商用の動線を立て。
Oh, wow. Okay. Wow.
Kenma.
Oh, that was a nice transition. I love that.
ゲームクリアの方が悲しい。
あ
Immaculate transition, man. Immaculate. I really loved it. Beautiful.
よーし、もういっちゃアウト。くそー、日向一点も取れずに光栄か。
白いままでいてね。
You got this, Hinata.
一歩遅れるだけで全部遅れて、あの存在感は霞んでしまう。99% であっても台無しなんだ。
Oh,
だって100% で飛べない商用に。
damn. Oh, man.
今んとこ思惑通りなのに、その顔はなんだい。自分で羽をもいでおきながら飛べないのは悲しいとでも。
危険か。試す価値はあるか。
Yes.
とか日向は使える状態か。
You gotta do it. Whatever you're thinking of, you gotta do it. You gotta get him back in the game.
1セット目は結構活躍してたけど。
その10番に仕事させないためにこっちも頑張ってんだからね。
Okay, calm down, lady. Calm down. They don't know it, alright? They're not you. Ease up.
苦しいよね、商用。
ケンマが俺のレシーブで。
考えれば考えるほど。
何か道は。
そうやってもがくといい。
Bro? Wow.
レシーブが俺を閉じ込める。
ゲームオーバー。ここまでかな。
It's not.
それでもどっちかを選ぶわけにはいかない。ない。
ほら飛べ。
センターオープン。
Oh!
助走距離確保。
So good, man.
あえても。
Oh, wow. The simulation. Oh, man. Ah, yes, man. Ah. It's in the spring tournament, baby. It's the nationals. We're doing everything.
魔法攻撃、間接攻撃。封じられたり効果がなくても物理攻撃でぶん殴ればいい。だよね。
Oh yeah, baby. Let's go, let's go.
次は何が起こるかな。
We're winning the set. We're winning the set.
商用は戦うたび新しい。
That's in, that's in, that's in. Yes. That's it, that's it, that's it.
Oh, she's taking it.
さっきお前またごちゃごちゃ何かか
とやっちゃいましょう、ガット。俺が20点取った。
No, you won't.
5点は皆さん。
10回できるかできないかくらいの負荷かけてやった方がよ。
Okay.
普通の20点よりヘビーな1点。
国立
国利じゃねえよ。ヘビーな1点ってなんだ。20。
おお、上手上手。
ほんの小さな出来事だ。でも黒はこの日を忘れないんじゃないかな、なんとなく思った。
Yeah, like let him get ready. Let him get ready first.
今見たの見た。ライトの方を一瞬見てそっちに上げるかと思いきやレフトに上げた。
Here I come.
セッターはあんまり動かなくていいポジションなんだぞ。
大嘘。
どいつもこいつも
Why is he doing this push-ups? Oh, they're weird, man.
わかんないけど釣られて。
That was so wild. What happened? Oh yes. Ah.
半分は僕ととおめえのせいだろ。どうもおかげさまです。
じゃこそです。スイカ
Yeah, I've just really come to appreciate Suki. It's just his annoying nature is very good when it's on your side.
最後に笑うブロックだ。
Alright, come on.
思ったんだよね。
Yep. Ooh! The animation quality, wow.
競えるとしたらネット際だけ。最短、真ん中、高さ勝負。
最近のバレエはどうだい？
Whoa, yes. Alright, Suki. Oh, didn't fall. Alright, all ball. You're gonna get this. Oh. Ooh. Oh. This is gonna go to 25-25.
いえ、準備不足だと思います。
I've never seen that guy before. Oh. I think one of the guys that they faced did this in one of the matches. Karasuno. I remember this. Oh. Oh, thank you, Nishi. Oh! Yes! That's my boy. That's the lad. Oh, they're tired. Is he good? Yeah. I knew that happened. I knew it. Yeah. Oh, it's wild. They're little petty little thing. Oh man.
勇者にごめんねって思って戦おうと思う。
瀕死にはさせるんだな。大丈夫。バレエではあんまり人死なない。
Yeah, I hope so. Oh man, I love it. Oh man, they're Kage! Everybody's so into the game, man. Everybody's so into it. Like I said, it's gonna do 25-25. It's gonna go 25-25. Look at Yatri. Match point. Oh, this first person perspective. Oh man. Oh, this amazing! Oh, I can't believe it. This first person perspective, and I'm mind blowing. I'm mind blown. Wow. Wow. Ah. Embrace the calm. Embrace the calm. We won. We won.
ねえ、ボールが滑ったんですね。
ああ、なんという。
田中さんナイスさー。あれ
You won. You won.
終わりだボケ。
What a match.
面白かった。
Yeah. It absolutely was right. Yeah.
俺にバレーボールを教えてくれてありがとう。
俺もコートに入りたい。
入ったじゃん。
ちゃんと入りたい。あんな風にバレエやりたい。
I know what he means. You're just there for like a few minutes. You wanna be like, at least play a set, man. I get it. You just want to be invested fully. I understand. He didn't feel it part of the game. He was just like in it for a bit, in and out, and you know you want to be fully in the moment in it. Yeah, I understand. That old man, his face is like that all the time, man. That's gotta feel so special for old man Yukai.
具体的な反省はこの後するとして。
Yeah, you can't critique him after this.
ありがとう。
I mean, not right now, right now. You could later, but not right now. They did their thing, man. They put it all on the floor. They put it all out there.
またやりましょう。言おうとしてたやつ。あ？知らねえし。ケンマ、来年もやろうな。じゃあまたね、翔よ。おう、またな。
But you know, it felt weird not watching this as a episode by episode. I will say that. I wonder if there's a post-credit scene. Okay, so I scrolled a little and I think there is one. So I think this is it.
近くで見るともっと大きいね。
あいつトサカでサバ読んでるだけだから。こっち側へようこそ。まさか本気で優勝できるなんて思ってなかっただろう。
確かに 100% 純粋に勝利を信じられるやつなんてなかなかいないよな。うっ
せバカバカ。
もういいの？
いつからいたの？お昼何食べよっか。
Is this their next match against this guy and his team?
次の準々決勝の相手。
Yep.
ここは準々決勝。
Okay, now this is the quarterfinal now. Okay.
どっちが今の小さな巨人か決めようぜ。
Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. So that was Haikyuu, the dumpster battle. This came out earlier this year. It's just been available on streaming like this month. Well, it was November. Says it was released February in Japan, February 16, 2024. Shoyu Hinata joins Karasuno High School's volleyball team. Oh, that's just giving a full thing. Why is that the description? Anyway, oh, it made 100 million. The box office. Okay. Wait, I just need to find out how many more films. Because I said like there would be like 2 or 3. Let me just check. I'll check and put it somewhere here how many films there are. I don't want to check right now. But yeah, so this is going to be a short wrap up, a synopsis and everything. I just want to give my brief overview of what I thought. And it was pretty much like the series. You know, there was like, but animation was turned up. But the series has a lot of great animation. But this, they put a lot of effort into a lot more. So it was like, this is gonna be like what? So this is an hour and a half. What's that? Roughly about what? 3 episodes? No, like 20. So call it about like 4 episodes worth of this thing. I haven't watched the previous like movies that made. I think the previous movies were just like basically like the whole season, like season 3 was like one thing. and put it cut it as a movie. I didn't watch that. I watched it as episodes, episodic. So this was my first experience watching something like this for Haikyuu, where it just like fully one long experience. You watch it through, no breaks, no needing to, no waiting for the the credits to play and the post credits and credits to play and everything. This was just pure hour and a little bit of pure Haikyuu-ness, and I loved it. I was involved. This is the beauty of this show, man. You feel it. You like, I really, people that they're saying like, come on guys, can you really be all that deep into a volleyball show? And yes, you can, because it's really good, man. And I just knew Karasuno was gonna win, but that wasn't the point. The point was like the whole journey and seeing Kenma say that he was enjoying it, that he's fully invested, and that was the whole point, man. I really loved it. Amazing. It captured me. It was captivating. It was thrilling. It was the high standard. Animation was on point. Maybe if I watch it through, I'll see some this and that, but it don't matter because the experience was the full part. It's like watching when I watched my reaction to Top Gun Maverick. It's like a well-made movie, but it wasn't like you say what they call Everything Everywhere All. Oh no. I think I'm away. Oh man, my memory's failing me. Something like Oppenheimer. Something like Oppenheimer. Yeah, right. Oppenheimer. That's a good. It's like a cinematic masterpiece. It's a super brilliant, amazing film. Amazing film. Hit the notes. One thing you could maybe say, like the explosion, the nuclear explosion, you could have been a little jazzy. Maybe they should have used a CGI, a little bit CGI up a little bit. So that's maybe a little thing you could say about that. But this, it was just like, it did have a little buzzy, like a spicy to me. And so, but that's the whole thing with like something like Top Gun Maverick, where this experience, they pull you in and you want to be pulled in, and it lets you be pulled in, and that's the point. That's what this type of, that's what this is, that's what the show is. It just amazingly done. No notes. Amazing. Brilliant. Enjoyed it. Can't wait for the next one. I want to see the Little Giant battle. There was one before at when Karasuno, they're at the qualifiers for the spring tournament qualifiers, or that guy who had his family with him and everything. So that was the thing. But now this is another Little Giant battle, and I can't wait to see it. But this guy is like super cool. He's like with, was he with, I think he was at the national team training squad with Kageyama. I think he was there, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so this is, can't wait. There's not much to be said, just brilliant, and I can't wait. And yeah, those are my thoughts. Goodbye.